A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant decision, the Supreme Court has chosen not to revisit its landmark ruling from 2015 that legalized same-sex marriage across the United States. This decision comes in response to an appeal from Kim Davis, a former county clerk in Kentucky, who gained national attention for her refusal to issue marriage licenses to same-sex couples, citing her religious beliefs. Davis's actions led to her spending 5 days in jail, and the couples she denied eventually received a marriage license and were awarded $100,000 for emotional distress along with $260,000 in attorney's fees. Davis's appeal sought to overturn the Supreme Court's decision in Obergefell v. Hodges, a case that established the constitutional right for same-sex couples to marry under the 14th Amendment. The Supreme Court's refusal to hear her case on Monday is particularly noteworthy given the court's recent trajectory to the right, raising concerns among LGBTQ advocates about the stability of marriage rights. In 2015, after the Obergefell ruling, then Kentucky Governor Steve Beshear directed all county clerks to issue marriage licenses to same-sex couples. However, Davis, who served as Rowan County Clerk, claimed that issuing such licenses violated her sincerely held religious beliefs that marriage should only be between one man and one woman. This led to a standoff where Davis and her deputies denied marriage licenses to several same-sex couples, including David Moore and David Ermold, who were among the first to seek a license after the ruling. After being denied multiple times, Moore and Ermold filed a lawsuit against Davis, alleging that she had violated their constitutional rights. Their persistence paid off when they eventually obtained a marriage license from a deputy clerk, while Davis was jailed for her refusal to comply with a court order. The couple's legal battle concluded with a jury awarding them significant damages for the distress caused by Davis's actions. Davis's legal team argued that her First Amendment rights protected her from liability, claiming that the Supreme Court's ruling in Obergefell was a form of legal fiction. However, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Sixth Circuit ruled against her, stating that the First Amendment does not shield government officials from liability when their actions infringe on the rights of private citizens. Judge Helene White emphasized that when a government official's personal beliefs conflict with constitutional rights, the Constitution must prevail. The Supreme Court's decision not to review the case is seen as a reaffirmation of the Obergefell ruling, but it also highlights the ongoing tensions surrounding LGBTQ rights in America. The court's current composition, with several justices having previously expressed opposition to same-sex marriage, has left many advocates on edge about the future of marriage equality. As the legal landscape evolves, Davis's case reflects the broader national debate over religious freedom versus civil rights. While some conservative groups continue to seek avenues to challenge and potentially overturn established precedents regarding marriage rights, the Supreme Court's latest ruling serves as a reminder of the current legal protections afforded to same-sex couples. This story is still developing, and updates will be provided as new information emerges. The implications of this decision could resonate beyond the courtroom, influencing public policy and the ongoing discourse around LGBTQ rights in the United States. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.